Gosia will surely think that I had some girls here tonight. Well, I'm in Ikea because I broke the table on my friend Gosia. That's what I want to get her. Beautiful, and that's what she has. This one is, where is the price? 129, and this one is $5 or $6. Very simple one. Ikea is one of the few shops which I actually like because it's fun to come here and watch some art. Also, every possible room you could get in your life. Another thing I broke her is the glassy water jug, which I think I'm not in the right floor. I need to go downstairs. Man, I love such stuff. Look at this tiny room. Here we go. More bedrooms. Wow. Check out this one too. Oops. This is me being lazy, but I never had such a thing. I actually do not feel comfortable working from the bed, but there are people that do it. Pretty. I think I should buy her something like that, just to scare her a bit. I don't know. I'm absolutely getting one of those. In the meantime, guys, I've got to get some food over here. Classical Swedish dish, and I have no idea what's this drink. You know when you try new things and you're not always convinced? Well, I'm not convinced, but it's not bad either. It's practically like mojito, but I think without alcohol. Or is there? Now, let's go to classical Swedish dish. This one is sure that I'm gonna like no doubt. It took me 73 seconds. So the jug I destroyed was something like this, but much bigger, and with this cup. Also those, they do look small. I think I found it. Yeah, it seems about the right size. So guys, I found the table. Incredible price, $6. Just amazing. Jug, table. What else do you need in life? 15 euros and we got everything we need. I cannot believe I did this mess. New table, old table. 1 hour and 20 minutes until my train to Szczecin. Let's finish up this table so it will not be destroyed as this one. Done, and I'm losing blood. Okay, this is my way to tell her that I'm sorry, but also doing it in a very, very funny way. Old table, new table, rat, beer, but with 0% alcohol, leftovers of sushi, and she ate coins, and well, I destroyed this jug, so I had to buy it to her again. One last touch and we are good to go. Subscribe to both this channel and the main one. Ciao!